In this video, I'm gonna answer the question, does TikTok show who viewed your profile? And the simple answer is yes. But however, to know who viewed your profile on TikTok, you must turn on a setting. If you don't yet know about that, let me quickly show you. Open up your TikTok app. From the home screen of TikTok, just tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. And you should have the option of these footsteps on the top right. If you don't have that option, tap on the three lines on the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy. And if you scroll down from here, you should see profile views. Now by default, this would be turned off. If you tap on this option, you can see it says see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. So if you toggle this option on, you'll be able to see who viewed your profile within the past 30 days. And other than that, other people will also be able to view that you viewed their profiles if you toggle this option on. So if you want that, you can just toggle this option on and you'll be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. But along with that, other people will also be able to see that you viewed their profile if they also have this option turned on. So I hope you guys understood this video. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.